Wraps don't last forever. With proper care, a quality vehicle wrap can deliver excellent value throughout its typical lifespan of around 5 years. However, wraps are not designed to last as long as factory paint and should be removed at the appropriate time to ensure they come off cleanly and without damage to the surface underneath. When a wrap is left on beyond its intended lifespan, it can begin to crack, harden, and peel. At that point, removal becomes more difficult and there is an increased risk of paint damage. This kind of damage is almost always the result of leaving a wrap on for too long, not from wrapping the vehicle in the first place. Removing a wrap at the right time creates a valuable opportunity. You're left with a clean, well-presented vehicle ready for sale, or you can take advantage of the moment to refresh your branding with a new modern wrap design.